This is Flingo, short for flood lingo, where we explore the unique language of the National Flood Insurance Program. In flood lingo, many times the elevation certificate is just called the EC. The EC provides the information agents and companies need to rate an NFIP policy. The saying is, elevation prevents inundation. The higher the structure, the less likely it is to flood. Elevation certificates should be completed by an architect, engineer, or registered surveyor. In some cases, the community may provide an EC. The main part of the elevation certificate itself is only 2 pages. But the elevation certificate has many more pages. These are to help complete it properly. It includes drawings, definitions, and other helpful hints. The person who completes the form certifies to elevation measurements made on and around the structure. Then they place their professional stamp on the elevation certificate. In the case of a structure that is slab on grade, the measurement is how high the lowest floor elevation is above the base flood elevation. Other things that are measured are the highest adjacent grade and the lowest adjacent grade. When buildings have basements or they are elevated, things get more complicated. An important thing to know about the NFIP elevation certificate is that if a structure was known to be in the floodplain when it was built, there is likely already an elevation certificate or elevation information on file with the community. If a structure was not in the floodplain when it was built, but it is now, an NFIP elevation certificate might help lower the flood insurance premium. Do some research to see if it is worth the expense of hiring a surveyor. This has been another adventure into Flingo, the language of the NFIP.